What does the indices parameter is deprecated and will be removed, assume true, in 0.17 mean? I'm just starting to learn Python and apologize if this is a really basic question/error. I'm doing the Kaggle biological response tutorial. I'm getting this error. C:\anaconda\lib\site packages \sklern _validation.py:65 deprecation warning. The indices parameter is deprecated and will be removed, assumed true, in 0.17 stat level equals 1, results 0.458614231133. Anyone know what it means? I've Googled it to death and can't find the answer. The script I'm running is I believe it's calling this. Once again, really sorry if this is basic stuff. I genuinely have never did this before.
It means that where you use the indices keyword argument to call cross_validation.clone that future versions will not support it. According to the error message, you will have the effect of indices equals true for 0.17. The message states that they will be removing the keyword argument, likely they don't ignore unused keyword arguments, therefore, likely you will get a type error exception in 0.17 if you continue to try to pass in indices.
It means the indices parameter is no longer used and will likely be removed in a future release of Sklern. The warning is to give you a chance to adjust your code, i.e., don't pass the indices parameter now so your code doesn't break after they remove it in a future update.
Much Simura, let's